Have you been looking for really good backdrops for your videos? You know, those static or video backdrops that make you look like you're in a beautifully designed kitchen or in a well-appointed office or out in nature standing in front of trees covered in autumn leaves or poolside and you're ready to jump in. Yet all the while you're actually standing in front of your green screen with large bright lights pointing at you. Well, we have the largest selection of all those unique green screen backdrops that will put you wherever you want to be. That's right. In fact, we have tens of thousands of these backdrops in our library ready to be used to create any scene in your videos, graphic work, presentations, or any other green screen project that you have. Introducing SuperBackdrop. We've packed the value in for you. You'll be getting a giant library of ultra-fine green screen static and video backdrops, a mammoth selection of themes that will satisfy any of your project requirements. And these have standard image and video formats that will allow you to use these super backdrops in all your favorite video, graphic, presentation, and other software. Not only that, you will also be getting another 1,000 versatile visuals, plus a suite of high-definition green screen actors and actresses that you can use along with these backdrops. Now, the versatile visuals come without backgrounds. You could easily key out or remove the backgrounds of the green screen actors and actresses. Then you can mix and match any of them over any super backdrop and create unlimited unique scenes. Select the businesswoman, drop her into an office backdrop, and create a brand new unique office scene. Select the man, add some versatile visuals, place him over a shopping video backdrop, and create a unique shopping scene. The possibilities are endless. You could literally create unlimited situations and scenes with SuperBackdrop. You know that these versatile visuals and green screen actors and actresses will come in extremely handy. SuperBackdrop is literally the world's best backdrop library and packed with tremendous value. You could get everything for pennies per backdrop. The crazy values will literally knock your socks off. Check out more details below and take your green screen videos to places you never thought possible today.